Hello, good morning everyone. If this is your first time to come to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and subscribe and like and share to other people to benefit from this video. So in this video, quickly I want to show you what you need to do before the snapshot will take over between Saturday and Sunday. The snapshot of CEX is going to take over. So all you have to do is to make sure that this is the major thing that you have to consider about this power. This is the major thing that you have to get more than other things. So for you to accumulate this power is for you to be typing here. Once you type here, this is coins, we call it coins, and this is mining per hour. This is mining power. For you to have this mining per hour, so all you have to do is, after you accumulate a lot of this, you will come down to where the right convert. You enter the convert like this. Once you enter the convert, see your the balance you have. You will now write your balance here like this. If you write your balance here, after writing your balance here, you come down, you will see the balance of the coin that you have. So you click on the convert. Once you convert, you now come back to the main page like this. You will see that your crypto balance don't add more than the way it is before. So for you to have this, before you buy this power, you need to convert this coin to this. So after you convert this mining power to this, your coin is going to increase. After you increase, you will now come to this where the right mine. You click on the mine like this. It will bring you to this page. These are the mining machine we have. You will see mining power, business, and the other. So if you check down all this, they show you that this one is 700 CEST, and this one, you will now check the balance that you have. You will check the balance that you have for you to select the one that you do. For example, now check this one. You see that they show me that I should upgrade to this. If I click on the upgrade, so as you can see that upgrading successful. Now come back to the page like this. You will see that my power have increased. So these are the major things you have to do here. So